Hello everyone, today I am going to be talking about the worst to the best slappers in slap battles. Here we go. Starting with default. So you might think that default actually isn't a very good club. But let me correct you, it's actually a pretty good club to grind slaps. The reason is, it actually gives you a pretty good speed boost that can make you hit people faster than others. So like, say me and this one guy were trying to hit each other, I would go way quicker. Next, it's not the best, so I'm actually gonna put it in okay. Next is spin. Now, I'm actually already know what to put this in. I'm gonna put it in worse. Like, the thing is, you can't even really hit people sometimes. Like, it's hard to actually even hit someone. So I'm gonna put this one in next in line, diamond. Now, it's not the best, but it's still sometimes really good. Like, I can hide, and then they'll just go on top of me, and then I can just go boom. But it's still not the best, so I'm gonna say not very good. Now next in line, zzz, which is like a better version of diamond. Boink! Because I could literally what's it called? I could do this. Boom, attack. So it's actually, boink! I'm gonna go with okay. By the way, so far, here are the results. Boink! Okay, anyways, next in line, extended. And this one, I think, is going to be one of the best, because you can literally hit people from very far. Unless people get really close to you, you can hit them from, so tragic event. Due to the slow speed, I'm not going to put it up too high. Actually, this is actually one of the best ones, so I'm actually going to put it in awesome. Next in line, brick. It's pretty good due to when someone actually stays on the ground for a very long time. But the hard part is making someone stay in the ground. So I'm going to put it in okay. Next is snow. This one is actually a very good one for grinding slaps, because the thing is, you can literally slow someone down and then hit them. I'm gonna be honest, with pull, it's actually not very good because it's strong and it's you have to go after them, which makes it harder. So I'll put that one in a not very good. Next, flash. Yes, flash actually, it's pretty good because you can teleport to someone and sometimes they won't even know. So I'll put flash in an okay. Now scream, this is actually, you may not realize this, but this is one of the best clubs, I say. Because look, you know how the regular way is jump and then someone really quick, it makes it, you win? Well, this makes you super. So I'm gonna put that in an awesome. Here again are the results so far. Okay, next is Swapper. Now, Swapper isn't actually known for being the best glove. So, I'm actually not going to put it in a very good one. Just going to skip a few. So I can make it a little faster. Okay, I'm finished for now. So now you could look at the new chart. I'll give you about a whole minute. Okay, Okay, next. Actually, I'm just gonna keep skipping through so it could go a lot faster for you. Okay, everyone, now that I am done, I'm gonna read it to you. For the best slappers, it's Magnet, Dream, Reaper, Replica, Killshriek, Ice, Sentry, Rocky, Stop, Shield, God's Hand, Error, The Flex, Overkill, Ultra Instinct, Warp, Shard, Bob, Orbit, Disarm, Dominance, Chain Tycoon, Glitch, Maui, Fish, Voodoo, Leash, Boogie, Berserk, Psycho, Quake, Rob. For awesome, it's Extended, Stun, Zahando, Anchor, Boomerang, Thick, Squid, Shishuki, Duelist, Blocked, Coil, Wormhole, Thor, Cloud, Custom, Mega Rock, Acrobat, Mitten, Spy, Detonator, Trap, Slapple, Hybrid, Tycoon, Snowball, Goofy, Hitman, Retro. For great, it's Snow, Spring, Ghost, Mail, Golden, Defense, Reverse, Gummy, Convender, Balloony, Whirlwind, Nightmare, Hollow Jack, Phase, Bomb, Moon, Jupiter, Rage, Colt, Counter. For OK, it's Default, Brick, Flash, Fort, Space, Woe, Phantom, Slicer, Reacted, Charge, Elude, Flame Rain, Rojo, and Rhythm. For not very good, it's Diamond, Z, Bull, Pull, Dice, Thanos, Adios, Ping Pong, Excavator, Rattlebones, Sparky, Recall, Kraken, Hammer. For very bad, it's Swapper, Pusher, Table Flip, Baller, Home Run, Plague, Bus, Bubble, Jet, and Obby. For horrible, it's a Bull, Cheeky, Track, Booster, Link, RNG, and Kinetic. For worst, it's Spin, Spectator, and Buddies. And if you guys have any question with why any of this is like that, then all you have to do is put something in the comment and I will respond. Bye!